black Supra. It's an NA auto. It's far from perfect. And we are going to strip it down and redo it. And we're gonna paint it. It's not every day that I would tear a car all the way down like this and then bring it back together super nice. Good. Time has come, going to paint. I got his body kit stuff down. Shiny black. Shiny black. If we could all just have one of these.
Oh my god, that's crazy. Is this all marked stuff?
Wow. This is scary.
Yes, it's all marked stuff.
What do you mean it's scary?
This is scary.
It's not
Super
scary.
slick, huh?
Super slick is what it is.
Well, I have to work on it. and
Oh, well,
my
yeah, don't put
God.
Gloves on, dude.
Don't mess it up. Yeah, you gotta like keep it clean.
All right, guys, so long time coming here, but it showed up and it's shiny. This is scary.
It just goes right into that side.
We sprayed back here to there because that's what the customer wanted. Yes, there's a tiny bit of dust on this stuff, but we'll clean it up. Back here, the rest of the car looks freaking shiny. I don't know, guys. We've been waiting a bit for this so we can resume videos on this car and update you on this, but Timmy just
Hang on. What up, Kyle? I
painted
got
the
one more
whole
jet.
thing. Oh man, it's here. I'm excited. There's gonna be a lot of work on this car, but that's couldn't be a better color. All right, one more time. Walk around this thing. Very shiny. Very shiny. Lots of pieces that need to get installed everywhere. Lots to happen, but let's get a flashlight and look at these rear wheel wells, how beautiful they are. So good. Our goal was to pull them about ½ inch more. I don't know how far we got. It's hard to determine, but we shaved the edge, ground the edge, welded the edge, epoxied the edge, so it's like paper thin, you know, like 1/8 inch in between, probably 1/8 and maybe 3/16 of an inch. He painted it, came out so well. Here, let's get a light and look at this. Because like you can fit like 305s in a stock wheel well with the exact right offset, but like check that out. Look at how thin that is. I mean, it's hard to see, but
Black on black on black, yeah.
everything's sealed up, undercoated, and then we got undercoating in here.
Oh my God.
Beautiful. All right, I gotta go. We're gonna take this all in, then we gotta start the slow process of reassembly. Good job, Mr. Timmy.
Thanks, sir. It was me and Kyle. By myself, that's for damn sure. I just hang out.
Good job, Mr. Kyle.
He throws me money every now and again.
Okay, we're back here for round 2. It's only been 24 minutes.
Okay, I'm gonna go home.
Bye.
Renee's leaving. Bye, Wendy.
Spared no expense. We've pretty much went through everything on the body, front to back and underneath. Did the engine bay. Dan was kind enough to put in a new center console for the auto to manual conversion, which was also sealed up and undercoated nice and pretty, top and bottom. The whole chassis was wet sanded and
No,
and
first,
re-cleared.
wait. Sandblasted.
Oh, yeah, blasted.
So sandblasted
Start
the
from
whole
beginning.
freaking
So
chassis.
we sandblasted everything front to back.
Right where the carpet would go, no, we didn't sandblast that
Not the
because what's
inside.
the point of that? And there
Yep,
was no rust holes or whatever?
Nope, nope.
But like sandblasted the whole outer shell.
Yep.
Then did what everything he
We
just
did
said.
the full epoxy. It sat for probably about a month before you could really touch it with the epoxy. Then it started going to body. Once we started the body, the customer actually changed a few little things on us. We actually shaved. The antenna got shaved. The rear squirter got shaved. The hatch isn't here. That's at the shop. We gotta bring that.
So 2 things on the hatch, like the rear squirter and the wiper,
Wipers
because
shaved.
like he's not really gonna use that. He doesn't need it.
It's clean.
And then we had the car had been hit on this side, so we had some issues with that rocker.
Yep.
We had
And
some
then
issues in this
whole quarter
corner.
panel was rebuilt.
This quarter had been hit like
Crumbled.
probably here because it had a bunch of Bondo here, and it had rust down here, which will happen on Supras because the water will come down and it will accumulate in here and just rust this out. Same with over there, more so on this side of the car, on the passenger. He fixed that, fixed this quarter, then we did
Then we ended up
insane amounts of
shaving
grinding
the,
here.
Inner
Look-
lip
look
here
at
to give
that.
him a little more room, and it's
That's
it's
modern as
sweet.
heck.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah, it's pretty sweet.
That's like a brand new car that they thought about.
They
like,
thought about
hey,
doing later, yeah.
we're gonna put like, you know, 05, 325, 335, whatever he can fit, we're fitting on here. And we did roll it, and we hammered it,
Yep.
and then welded it, and then
it was
epoxied it,
Smoothed out,
and then oh my
shaved again,
god,
3
It-
times actually.
That was me and Timmy like stressing.
We got
like,
some clips. We can put some clips in there for you.
stressing because
And then-
like we're like I don't want to.
poke your head under there. You can see the whole bottom chassis got new under.
Oh, the undercoat. Yep.
Everything.
All the way to where the
All the way to
subframe
the
starts.
subframes, Yep. Front and rear.
We had asked the owner of this car, like, you want to do the whole underside? And he's like, no. I mean, maybe later he might have. It's too late. He may change his mind, but like, he didn't even want to do the undercoating in the wheel well. But
we
we
had to.
we got him into that. We talked him into that. We had to, like, because we had done so much grinding, and also this car. So whatever accident this car was in was like this whole side of
This
the car.
whole side was
this
crumbled.
corner was messed up.
Yep.
This was messed
was
up.
mangled.
This is new actually. It's a different one for this chassis. I mean, they did a decent job of putting it in the right spot, and then Timmy
We
made it look beautiful.
Finished it, yep.
But there was like even some little issues
It
here,
was mangled here,
issues here,
and this
and on the
rail
frame,
actually had a
and
nice,
a bunch of crap in here. So we were like drilling and re-welding and trying to improve this. And it had been done before, but like not the best. And then we did the best we could, and then Timmy blended that, and then
blended up the undercoat back.
yeah,
into it.
the undercoat kind of hides any of the extra welds that we had done.
The undercoat
Oh,
also goes
all the way to
all the
where
way
the
down
trans
to the
tunnel.
tunnel. Yep, yep.
And like,
it's all blended and matched.
I mean, you can see that line now. You kind of only can see
You only
about
see, like,
maybe
right
you can only
there.
see when everything's in
When
there. You
everything's
can
in there,
barely.
you won't see nothing.
Another cool thing is he wire wheeled and removed all the stupid seam
Per
sealers.
request by the customer. Make it
And
nice
he didn't want to do that because of structural. And I'm like, dude, don't worry about that. We do this a lot. So he did it.
It is beautiful.
Came out amazing.
beautiful.
So there's like no random seam sealer bits. Like, to me, like I said,
crazy.
scary.
Yeah.
I don't want to touch it, but I got to touch it a lot because we got to work on it. We have to put windows in it.
Everything.
We have to put carpet in it,
Everything.
full interior. Then I got to work in the engine bay. And unfortunately, once the subframe goes in and I can use a mock-up block, I literally have to drill a 5-inch hole right here
I won't be here when
for
you
your
do that.
charge pipe. So there's gonna be a whole lot of blue tape right here. And drilling in. I don't know, like this car needs tons of man hours coming into it, but Timmy already put a bunch of man hours into it, so
It'll probably be one of the best builds that we're ever a part of, to be honest with you, which I appreciate you.
That's
you know,
cool.
Throwing us in here and giving us the opportunity. It's pretty sweet.
I'll try to make it the best one I've ever done. Like each time I get a customer that
yeah,
has like the budget, is the way you'd say it, to do a quality build.
Yep.
If you can get them to just kind
Go
of
all in with you.
go
you
all
get
in.
it.
And this guy,
Yes.
he has one of my top 5 favorite builds I've ever done. He already did it, and he still owns it, and he still drives that. And he wanted to build another one, so that's how wild this guy is. I mean, he wants to one-up himself 100%. He went from Targa to hardtop because of
is cool.
the little squeaky noises you'll get. But I think we should go like dart block, stroker, more horsepower.
Stroker, more power.
It already
Definitely
had a
more
stroker,
power.
but bigger turbo. Like, I think we should do 1200 wheel, but somehow with a VVTi head and try and get it as like responsive as possible. I think if we did that, yeah, I think so. You could see like
It's so nice.
trucks and raised wheels. You can see all kinds. It's
That's
like a
also
man.
not buffed either.
We're not gonna buff
Not gonna
it. So
buff it until he's done touching everything.
I know you guys have seen different shops, fab shops, and whatever put like that plastic layer on.
Clear bra.
It's like a clear bra, but it's like removable once it leaves the fab shop
Safety.
or the, you know.
For safety.
So I'm gonna literally cover this whole car in that. I bought a whole roll just for this car.
Feel it. Feel it.
I can't. I like this. Just makes me jealous. I want
right.
this.
It's the best thing
on.
ever. I made it really
My
sweet.
God.
Yeah, dude, that's cool, man.
I wish that Renee's white Supra was going through the same
Maybe one day we will.
one day, but that's some expensive stuff.
That's a lot of stuff.
And I don't.
You sure you want to do this again?
I would do it. I don't think Timmy wants to do
I'll
it.
do it again.
Well, we got it on video, guys, so now he's stuck.
Oh, no.
All right, so that's that. We're gonna go over the other panels and stuff. He still has to do a couple more trips to bring more panels.
Yep.
And we have all kinds of stuff
Loads
that we
of
put in
carpet,
our room over
loads of
there.
Body panels,
It's-
canards, hoods.
It's like
vents.
anything metal that we could paint black. Like if
Everything
we're
got
gonna do
painted.
like the trim black, like this color,
Yep.
or like the cowl,
Yep.
or even the dash bar, all the
Brackets.
things. This car is gonna have it all. It's gonna be such a nice build. Super excited. I just have to say it's worth the wait, but like the waiting sucked, but we're here and it's done.
I think it was worth the wait. You think it was worth the wait? No.
Hurry up, Dan.
It's my turn now.
It's your turn now.
All right, come on, Charles. Bring a dump truck with money in it, and then I'm gonna finish this car. All right.